Nature never hurries, yet everything is accomplished. Lao Tzu, could that be a plump, pink, wiggling worm? No. It's actually the blood-engorged tongue appendage of an alligator snapping turtle. This clever disguise lures unsuspecting prey. But this isn't the only case of tongue trickery in the animal world. Some fish, drawn to ripples on the water's surface, end up in the jaws of water snakes. These snakes use their tongues to create those ripples, tricking their prey. Snowy egrets use a similar strategy. Puff adders mimic insect movements with their tongues, luring in unsuspecting amphibians. Across the animal kingdom, tongues have taken on surprising roles. Some tongues serve as deadly projectiles. In chameleons, a specialized tongue muscle compresses layers of sheaths around a cartilage rod. This process stores elastic energy. When released, the tongue shoots forward with astonishing speed. At the tip, a suction cup-like pad covered in saliva 400 times thicker than ours ensnares prey instantly. The rosette-nosed pygmy chameleon takes this to an extreme. Its tongue can extend 2.5 times its body length. That's the equivalent of a car going from 0 to 96 km/h in 1/100th of a second. It may hold the record for the fastest and longest tongue strike relative to body size. But it has competition. The giant palm salamander has a spring-loaded tongue that delivers more power per kilogram of muscle than any known vertebrate. Two long muscles stretch past its front legs. When they contract, they compress a skeletal structure at the tongue's base. When released, the stored energy propels the tongue forward, ensuring a lightning-fast capture. Other amphibians take a different approach. Northern leopard frogs have tongues attached at the front of their mouths. With just a drop of their lower jaws, the tongue flips outward, covering a wide surface. Frog tongues are also 10 times softer than ours. This softness allows them to mold around prey, increasing the area of contact. Special glands secrete ultra-sticky saliva, ensuring nothing escapes. Once captured, the frog retracts its eyes to help push food down its throat. Not all tongues are for hunting. Some creatures wield them defensively. Blue-tongued skinks flash their vibrant tongues at predators, creating a shocking display that disrupts attacks. Other animals evolve for sheer tongue length. Red-bellied woodpeckers retract their barbed tongues around their skulls when not in use. Giant anteaters, who consume up to 30,000 ants and termites a day, don't even need teeth. Instead, they rely on a 60-centimeter-long tongue lined with backward-facing spines and sticky saliva. Some mammals, like the tube-lipped nectar bat, have tongues that are 50% longer than their bodies. This adaptation allows them to reach deep into bellflowers to extract nectar. These tongues are specialized for a liquid diet. Tongue textures also vary widely. Tiny structures called papillae cover tongues, enhancing touch, taste, and grip. Rainbow lorikeets have feathery papillae that bloom when they drink nectar, maximizing absorption. Penguins use backward-facing spiny papillae to grip slippery fish. Pressing their tongues and palates together, they ensure their prey doesn't escape before swallowing. Cats' tongues serve an entirely different purpose. Their sandpaper-like papillae help with grooming. These structures retain saliva, cooling their bodies while detangling fur and distributing scent. Their unique design makes them incredibly effective cleaning tools. Some tongues are built for sensing, not grabbing. Snakes have forked tongues that flick up and down, gathering odor molecules from the air. These molecules travel to their vomeronasal organs, allowing the snake to detect and analyze scents. It works much like having two ears to detect sound. The two tongue tips sample different areas, helping the snake map scent trails, locate prey, and track potential mates. These are just a few examples of how animals have evolved extraordinary tongue adaptations. Whether used for hunting, defense, sensing, or feeding, tongues in the animal kingdom are far more versatile than they seem. So the next time you see an animal stick its tongue out, there might be more to it than meets the eye. For more videos, please like and subscribe.